Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut yara eksenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah pada Friday. Kham no ke cing cencar em. Tip syuk kan long kum nala dah. Yap sama mana ni.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau hamokam hilaban pun long ki kathong ko jongpi ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma ba ka advanced diploma course
Ana.
Boleh tak kena nombor kursi.
Boleh
Ha?
Kila jankot kumba arpo tuli ai ki Ïing breu ki bla Julor nakadaw ku Jingkhie ke Eriong ka baklan bor ak snong Mawthwan bat Mawthwan kat kum ka jingyo lum jingtip na ki bor snong kiletu bah Mawthwan ki don sautli ki Ïing bla Julor pha bat ki babun pat ki deh Mawthwan laitu ban lor ki Ïing breu ki samsiar samsnyang ru ki don bun bah ki bla syarat ak Eriong bor snong kila pentip ba menta barok kawai ki snong ka hapan syongdum namar bla odno ya ka boarding namar bagi don ki post light bi sainar ki besyong seir ya ki pat ba ki bayad bayeng berwat hagi Ïing ki sem jo ki breu.
Orang ni kawan selesai.
Ya asuk kat.
Ani don bok ni lapor sini ya. Oh my god. Apa you eat? Ya sih.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.